Think healthcare, education, industry, government services, using AI to make the whole country run better, smarter, and more efficiently.
So, how does France fight back? Well, the report lays out this really bold national strategy. The idea isn't to just copy what the US or China are doing. It's about forging its own path, building its own unique strengths in the world of AI.
The goal is to weave AI right into the fabric of French society. Think healthcare, education, industry, government services, using AI to make the whole country run better, smarter, and more efficiently.
So how are they going to do it? The plan basically boils down to three huge moves. First, build the foundation. That means France needs its own powerful supercomputers for AI, so it's not dependent on anyone else. Second, get the fuel. AI runs on data, so they need to unlock access to high-quality data. And third, and maybe most important, invest in people. You got to fund the whole system and train up the talent.
And to get the ball rolling, they're proposing a massive France and AI investment fund. It's a public-private deal designed to pump 10 billion euros into the ecosystem to get things moving fast.
And it isn't just about throwing money at the problem. The plan calls for real action. Things like supporting open-source AI to boost innovation for everyone, trying to become a world leader in environmentally friendly AI, creating systems to actually test and evaluate these models, and, crucially, launching a massive training program for everybody, from students to professionals.